In this video, we're gonna see the complete procedure of installing the Linux Mint. So first of all, we need to download the Linux Mint. So I want you to go to the home website and you can download the latest version from here. I would recommend you downloading the Cinnamon edition. Just hit the download and then select the mirror. Any mirror would work. So let me select the USA and it will download the whole ISO file. So I have already downloaded that, and after that you need to make a bootable USB drive. So you can check out my channel to know how to make USB bootable drive using Vento. Vento is the one of the best solution out there. So I have already placed the Linux Mint in here. Okay, so now we will gonna restart the PC. Now I want you to press F9, F12 or F10. It would be like according to your motherboard. So mine is F12. You can choose like any option. Now select the USB drive. So I am selecting USB disk and it will show the grub menu. Now I will select the Linux Mint and I will select boot in the normal mode, and now we will press enter again. Now as you can see, it has launched the Linux Mint. So now you will click on install Linux Mint, just double click it. Now continue on the English language, or you can choose any other language as well. Now select the keyboard layout. The default is English US. We will select that one. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi. So let me enter the password. Now it is connected to the Wi-Fi. Click continue. Now select the install multimedia codecs, so that if you like a person who play a lot of videos on the desktop, then it will avoid any errors. If a codec doesn't support, it will install the multiple multimedia codecs. So I will recommend you check this. Click continue. Now I will recommend you erase the whole disk and install the Linux Mint if you are a beginner, and if you are a pro person, then you can select the something else and select the disk. Okay, we will select the disk from here. So it's our Dev SDA. So it is a 240 GB disk, which is enough for the Linux Mint. So I want you to select this and then create the partitions, but this is a beginner video, so we will go back and select the erase whole disk and install the Linux Mint. So here select the erase disk and install Linux Mint. In the advanced option, just select the none, continue, and from here select your disk. So I will select SDA disk, which is a 240 GB disk. Install now. So I will continue. Now select your time zone. So it's my Kolkata, and now fill up all the details like Amit Kumar, and the desktop name is Kumar, and small password, and you can log in automatically. I would recommend you require at least password, so that you can avoid unwanted access. Now it will take some time, so just grab some coffee or tea and just wait. So as you can see, the installation is done. Now hit the restart button. Now in my case, I have Windows installed too. Now select the Linux Mint. If you have only Linux, you would probably have one option to be boot with. So as you can see, the login menu has been appeared. Now enter the password and press enter. Now we get our desktop. So as you can see that we get our welcome screen on the Linux Mint. You can click on let's go and try out different feature which are given on the welcome screen. Like you can change the theme from here, or you can get the settings menu as well and explore all the available option in the Linux Mint. So close this welcome screen and now open your terminal, and I want you to run this command on the first install of your Linux Mint. It will be sudo apt update and double end and then apt upgrade -y. It will update your system and it will be best for enter the password which you like entered when the system was set up. So it will be like updating the system will be best for you and your system as well. So that's it, and close the terminal. Now you can enjoy all the features of the Linux Mint. If you stuck somewhere, let me show you the like build feature of the Linux Mint or the detail of the system and operating system. So we will run cat at z os release, and as you can see that it is 22.3 Jena Linux Mint, which is based on Ubuntu Debian. So you can enjoy this operating system, each and every feature. If you stuck somewhere or find difficult to use it, you can get help on my YouTube community, or you can comment out in this video as well. We will help you in 24 hours. And thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.